Microsoft Excel Power Maps Part 3. In this lesson, let's plot two groups of data, state and county. And we'll also create a tour. With the cell in my first set of data selected, I'll click the Insert tab. In the Tools group, I'll click Map, and then click Launch Power Map. State is already selected, I'll click Next. And for this plot, or this range, I'll put in population in millions, and I'll change it to region. And I'll make a second map for the rainfall instead of adding it here. In the Home tab, in the Scene group, I'll click the drop down under New Scene. And I can start over with a new map, or I can copy Scene 1. Let's make a copy. And this is Scene 2, is an exact copy, but I'll just make changes to this copy. So I'm going to uncheck population in millions, and I'll check rainfall in inches. So we have one scene with population and one scene with rainfall. And for my next scene, we'll look at adding in county information. So I'll click New Scene. And let's click World Map for a new map for this scene. And instead of the state geography, I want the county geography. So I'm going to go back to my Excel document. I'm going to find the county data. And by the way, these numbers aren't accurate. It's just information for presentation purposes. And still at my Insert tab, still in the Tools group, I click the drop down under Power Map. And instead of Launch Power Map, I click Add Selected Data to Power Map. So for this map now, I have the data by county. And Power Map automatically understood my county field header. And so it plotted the data by county. If it didn't understand the county header, then I could have chose a region here. But we'll leave it at county. And I'll click Next. And I want to plot rainfall for the county. So I'll click Rainfall for the numbers. And I'll also make this regional. And let's adjust the map a bit. I'll make this a flat map. And let's use the arrows to tilt it a bit. I'm pressing the down arrow to tilt the map back. And I'm going to click the plus sign to zoom in closer to the counties. And up here in the map group, I'll also click on map labels. So the cities are labeled now within the state. Now that we have several maps, let's start creating our tour. Hover your mouse at the bottom right till you see the cog. Click the cog. And on the right hand side, you can choose your scene duration of each scene. So right now its default is 10. Let's change it to, I'm clicking the down arrow. You can also type in the number. I'm going to change it to 4 seconds. And I can give the scene a name. I'll just leave it at scene 1 for now. And the transition, let's leave that at 3 seconds. And I could choose a type of effect when it transitions. I'll do a flyover. And for the next one, I'll also make it 4 seconds with a 3-second transition. And we'll just leave this one at no effect. And for my county, I will also make this one 4-second duration and 3-second transition. Going to go back to my first scene. And let's click Play Tour and see what it looks like.